Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be quickly unboxing the Logitech Triathlon, also known as the Logitech M720 wireless mouse. So it has a hyperfast scroll wheel, 8 programmable buttons, and also it can connect seamlessly to 3 different devices. Here's the back, so it claims to have easy switch, which allows it to quickly pair with multiple devices and switch between them. It can withstand 10 million clicks, and it also has compatibility with Logitech software, which I will later show you, where you can customize the buttons and all. So it's quite easy to open like this. I didn't even need the knife. And here is the mouse itself. It has a nice weight to it. So it comes with a battery, and if you pull this out, should allow the battery to complete the circuit or whatever, so it should work now. And then either you can connect it via Bluetooth, or you can connect the USB dongle thing to your laptop or computer directly. Alright, now I'll connect it and show you the Logitech software and all. Okay, so let's ignore the fact that it's been about 3 months since the footage you just saw, and let's get on with how to connect it to a laptop. So fortunately I have my roommate's laptop here with me right now because I'm doing this external hard drive transfer that I can't do with my Mac for some reason because the file format on the hard drive is NTFS. Anyways, let me not get distracted and try to do this thing. So basically one of the ways to connect your Logitech mouse to computer is this USB dongle. I'm sorry, the lighting is really bad right now. So let me try to do that with this USB adapter. And currently my laptop has been connected to the Bluetooth, to the mouse using Bluetooth. So I can quickly show you the function of this third button on the back, which basically lets you change between laptops. So to turn the mouse on, you do that, and then you see a bit of green. And then you can connect to any computer of your desire. So I think 3 will get assigned to, or no, let's try 1, and let's see if that works with this. So here we see that 1 connects to my roommate's Dell, I think it's an XPS, pretty cool. And then if I click it again, it should go to 2, and that means that it'll be connected to my laptop over here. That's a quick sneak peek of the footage that I'm editing right now. So that's how you can quickly seamlessly change between devices. Using this button, I don't know what it's called, but you can connect up to 3 devices, I think, even Android tablets, and I think there are some other operating systems that are also supported, like other than Mac OS, Windows OS, Linux, and all. That's one of the cool features. Of course, it has a bunch of buttons. This is a button, that's a button. This button is pretty cool. It lets you switch from normal scrolling, like this, if you can hear that, to hyper-fast scrolling. It's really cool for scrolling really fast. There is a gesture button over here that you can do cool gestures with. You can play around with that with the software. And then there's the classic forward and back buttons. And I think those are all the buttons. When you see the Logitech software screen recording video, I'll probably overlay that. You can see all of the different customizations that you can do. So this is me clicking the gesture button. It normally shows these. Sometimes it is a bit buggy. With the middle button, you can also configure different gesture buttons. So if I hold down the middle button and then I moved the mouse a certain way, let me try to zoom out and try. Then I can change apps. I'm sorry if the lighting is really bad right now. And then with an up I can zoom, but this is all customizable. And then I think I set for down, I look up the definition of something. If you can see, that is think that's Mac software being a bit buggy. And this is the gesture button. So yeah, a lot of cool things that you can do with the mouse. Classic back buttons. If I missed anything, let me know down in the comments. Thanks a bunch for watching. So far the mouse has been a pleasure to use and pretty nice in the hands too, to be honest. Thanks. Have a great day.